a while longer on the IMF, but in Ghana, capital market players are worried about the kind of returns it will be making as ongoing negotiations with the International Monetary Fund lingers. Now, according to the president of the Ghana Securities Industry Association, Winston Nelson Jr., the industry is concerned about the IMF deal because it presents another layer of confidence which could boost activities on the market positively. Now, he tells Joy Business that the continuous postponement of the deadline for the agreement with the fund brings some uncertainty onto the capital market.
The key concern is, when is the market going to fully reopen? You know, we had a market that was trading at a certain volume pre this program, and it hasn't gotten there yet. The volumes we trade in a day are less than half what we used to trade the same time a year ago. There has been definitely haircuts on the coupons that people are getting. So there's a lot of uncertainty. Currently, I think our biggest concern is how is the market going to open and in what form? When is the IMF program going to end? When are we going to complete it? Because it becomes a key line item for us to close, for us to see the way forward. So these are some of the key things that concerns our members. And remember that once volumes are down, businesses are kind of suffering in terms of their revenues. Definitely their revenues would also be down. But you know, in this environment, expenses and costs have actually been rising. So most of the people will be living on, will be having higher costs than their revenues. It is therefore important that the markets open quickly so that we will be able to start at least breaking even, or else we'll be booking losses for a longer period of time.
You engage the managers of the economy or the leaders of this market, what signal do you get?
Well, we were under the impression the IMF program will be completed shortly. But we have been under that impression for a while. As you know, you are also in the media, so you know, like I also know, there's no clear date. It becomes a target for every month, and we keep going forward. The target keeps moving forward. So the big question is, okay, when are we going to get this thing done? At least we know the domestic is done. When will the external be done? For us to be able to conclude with the IMF. For us to now come back and now start dealing with how we rebuild again.